Hello everyone, this is my review of these Heathyoga pants. I am absolutely in love with these Heathyoga Fleece Lined Leggings. They are perfect for cold weather, keeping me warm while still being comfortable. The fleece lining is soft and cozy, but the leggings are still stretchy enough for yoga and other activities. The high-waisted design provides great support, and they stay in place during workouts or when I'm out running errands. The added bonus is the pockets, big enough to hold my phone or keys, which is super convenient. These leggings have become my go-to for winter, whether I'm exercising or just lounging. They're thick enough to keep me warm but not bulky, which is a big plus. If you're looking for thermal leggings that are both stylish and functional, these are a fantastic choice. I highly recommend them for anyone wanting to stay warm and active during the colder months. I hope this review helps.